Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably ready to part ways with your Dramawave subscription. Whether it's because you're switching to a new service, cutting back on streaming costs, or just need a break from all those binge-worthy dramas, I've got you covered with this complete guide for 2025. Dramawave is a popular platform for TV shows and movies, but canceling can sometimes feel tricky. Don't worry, we'll walk through it step by step. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Dramawave account on their official website or app. If you can't remember your password, hit that "Forgot Password" link and reset it quickly. Once you're in, head over to your profile settings, usually found in the top right corner. Look for an icon that looks like a person or gear. Next, scroll down to the Subscriptions or Account Management section. Here, you'll see your active subscriptions listed. Click on Dramawave to expand the details. Now, find the Cancel Subscription button. It might say something like Manage Plan or Turn Off Auto Renewal. Click that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Take a moment to read any information about refunds or what's happening to your account post-cancellation. After you confirm, Dramawave might ask for feedback on why you're leaving. It's optional, but it could help improve their service. Once that's done, your subscription should be canceled immediately, or it might process at the end of your billing cycle. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message. A few quick tips. If you change your mind, you can often resubscribe right away, but check for any promotions. Also, if you run into any issues, contact Dramawave's customer support through their help center. They're usually pretty responsive. And remember, this guide is based on 2025 policies, so things might vary slightly by region. There you have it. Canceling your Dramawave subscription doesn't have to be a hassle. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.